Over 1 billion people worldwide are running empty of vitamin D without even knowing. Could you be one of them? Think you are getting enough shine in a bottle? Think again. Vitamin D, the shine vitamin, is shockingly common yet dangerously overlooked. Despite its vital role it plays in immunity, bones health, prevention of cancer, and fibroid, over 1 billion people worldwide are running empty of vitamin D without even knowing. Could you be one of them? When was the last time you did sun gazing or sun bathing? I guess no. Let me know your thought from the comment section. Let's share some light on the deficiency pandemic silently sabotaging health and how to fix it. You are watching the Lab Doctors channel. Please kindly subscribe to our channel, like our videos, share, and comment. Let's do this together. Why is everybody deficient? Considering the fact that by age 50, 70 to 80% of women will have uterine fibroid, why vitamin D is the cheapest solution. The shocking truth about vitamin D deficiency is not just about sunshine. You will think in our modern world with all the advanced technology, we wouldn't be missing something as basic as vitamin D. Yet, many people are deficient of vitamin D. How did it happen? Here is the breakdown. Our first point, we have turned into indoor creatures, cars, offices, streaming marathons, and our lifestyle. This is not to say that having a car and being in the office is bad, but once in a while, have connection with the sun. Expose yourself and receive from the sun. Receive vitamin D. Receive your cancer prevention medication from the sun. If you are here and you do that, let me have your comment in the comment section. Our second point is the use of sunscreen, and we are more sun phobia. Did you know that sunscreen creams prevent 95% of vitamin D from the sun? Well, you didn't know. Now you know. We have been told to avoid the sun so much that we don't even think the sun do exist anymore, and we don't see the importance of the sun, the importance of vitamin D, and how the sun plays important role in providing vitamin D for our immunity, prevention of cancer, fibroid, and other diseases. Our third point why people are deficient of vitamin D is our modern non-supportive vitamin D food. Most of our food in our modern days do not have enough vitamin D or do not contain vitamins. And also, as individuals, we do not care taking food containing vitamin D because we don't see the need or the importance vitamin D plays in our immunity and our health care. We do not eat food that contains enough vitamin D. Foods such as fatty fish, eggs, raw milk are not incorporated in our daily food. And for that reason, we lack or we are deficient of vitamin D. Lastly, doctors rarely request for vitamin D deficiency tests. So most people are deficient until it is severe. So these are some symptoms to tell you that you lack or you have low vitamin D in your body. We have stress, fatigue, weak immunity, when you experience mood swings. So when you are experiencing all these symptoms regularly, know that you have low vitamin D. So how do we fix this? The fix is easier than you think, especially to those who think that doing sun bathing or sun gazing is going to destroy their skin and all that. I am here to assure you that it wouldn't happen because you will just do 10 to 20 minutes of sun bathing or sun gazing at least 3 times a week. And with this, you can choose to expose some part of your body whilst covering other parts. It all depends on you. With this, there is no way you will destroy your skin. Again, let me make this clearer and let me stress on this. When you expose your skin to the sun, your melanin blocks the UV rays, but the same melanin absorbs the vitamin D from the sun. And so once you absorb the vitamin D from the sun, you at the same time protect your skin from the UV rays that can destroy your skin. Secondly, incorporating vitamin D food source into your diet is another way you can get vitamin D, like fatty fish, raw milk, and eggs. Thirdly, vitamin D supplements. I always stress on getting a genuine quality brand of vitamin D. Especially taking vitamin D3 plus K2 is 2 to 3 times more effective in raising your vitamin D level. Eat more vitamin D rich foods such as fatty fish. We have salmon, we have sardine, we have mackerel, we have oranges, we have cereals, we have raw milk and egg. All these are good source or rich in vitamin D. Lastly, request for vitamin D deficiency test from your doctor to know the level of your vitamin D to make the adjustment. Don't also forget to consume magnesium to help the absorption of vitamin D. Vitamin D is a modern epidemic because of our lifestyle, but the good news is it is one of the easier health problems to solve. Just a little sunshine, vitamin D supplements, and run your blood test to know your vitamin D level. So, what is your go-to way to get enough vitamin D? Vitamin D supplements or sunshine? You are watching the Lab Doctors channel. Please kindly subscribe to our channel, like our videos, share, and comment so that we can do this together.